Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get the old Notepad back on Windows 11. So the thing is, the old Notepad executable is actually still there. The trick is to get it to stop redirecting to the new app. And there is in fact a setting for this, so open Settings on your PC. Then navigate to Apps, Advanced App Settings, App Execution Aliases. This menu controls whether old executable commands redirect to the new Windows 11 apps. So in the case of Notepad, turn off notepad.exe. Then anytime you want to launch the old Notepad, you can run it as you can see. Now if you want the new Notepad, there is a launch button in the old program, or you can search for the new one in Start. Of course, you can uninstall the new Notepad using Start, but in this way you can keep both of them. If you're wondering, this method is not available for Paint, and the reason for this is that Paint is not installed as an optional feature, while Notepad is. And unfortunately, Microsoft removed the Paint feature, so you can't install the old version anymore. Notepad is also a feature, but it's usually installed by default. You can find optional features at Settings, System, Optional Features, and if for some reason the settings in App Execution Aliases doesn't work, you should install Notepad from this menu. Alright, thanks for watching, hope the video helped you, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one.